Hello, committee and council members. My name is KJ May. I am the Senior Construction Project Manager. Today, I will be going over the budget appropriation for design and construction activities for the Mandalay Bay Seawall Project for Public Works. We are recommending that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize a new project budget appropriation in the amount of $1.5 million from the available fund balance in the General Fund 101 and corresponding Capital Outlay Fund 301 to the Mandalay Bay Seawalls Capital Improvement Project C1901. That the City Council approve and authorize a new project budget appropriation in the amount of $1.5 million from the available fund balance in the General Fund 101 and corresponding Capital Outlay Fund 301 to the Mandalay Bay Seawalls Capital Improvement Project C1901. Background. The Public Works Engineering Division oversees the planning and execution of the Mandalay Bay Seawall Long-Term Repair Program. The repair program requires periodic condition assessments of the Mandalay Bay seawalls in order to effectively prioritize repair work of the 7.6 miles long seawall infrastructure. In June 2024, Duncan Engineering completed a routine seawall inspection, and the seawall inspection revealed seawall foundation exposure that warrants the city to prioritize this work and complete it within the next 5 years, as recommended by Duncan's marine structural engineer. The total length of the seawall foundation exposure is approximately 3,095 linear feet out of the total 40,128 linear feet. Slides 5 and 6 include visual maps of the affected foundation areas for reference. Please note the blue and orange markings on the maps show areas of seawall foundation with erosion around or near the pile caps, leaving the timber support piles partially exposed to direct seawater in some locations. Such foundation conditions are a present threat to wall stability. This is because marine boring organisms have direct access to the untreated timber support pilings when the seawall foundations are not covered with enough of the seabed and can cause structural damage to the pilings. We'll have some photos in the later slides to show how the current condition looks like. Please focus on the blue and orange highlighted sections. This is the east end of the Mandalay Bay seawall. Again, please focus on the blue and orange highlighted sections. This is the west side of the Mandalay Bay seawalls. This is a photo of the affected foundation area in a typical section of the seawall foundation for reference. The design time and lengthy regulatory agency permitting activities will be the critical scheduling elements. Consequently, these steps should be begin immediately in order to address the estimated 3,095 linear feet sections of the affected foundation areas within the next 5 years. Public Works intends to have Duncan Engineering complete the construction documents for the repair of the identified wall foundations and then assist in putting the project out to bid for construction. For this work, staff is recommending using general fund available fund balance to complete the design, secure the necessary permits, and perform construction. The financial impact is that the cost to complete the final design, regulatory permitting, and construction of this portion of the Mandalay Bay Seawalls project is estimated to be $1.5 million. New project budget appropriation of $1.5 million to the Mandalay Bay Seawall Capital Improvement Project C1901 from the available fund balance in the General Fund 101 and corresponding Capital Outlay Fund 301 is recommended in order to complete the design, permitting, and construction efforts for this project. It should be noted that the funding currently in this Mandalay Bay Seawalls project is for West Hemlock repairs. As such, additional funds are recommended to complete the newly discovered foundation work. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time.